Hi there and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. Today we are just doing a quick little tour of the interior and exterior of the new 2021 RAV4 Prime. This is indeed the plug-in hybrid model that so many of us were waiting for, and it certainly was worth the wait. This particular RAV4 Prime is the SE trim line and in the color Super White. The exterior of this model includes 18-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, heated side mirrors, and automatic rain sensing wipers. You'll also notice that we added body side moldings, roof rack crossbars, and a hitch to this particular vehicle. Okay, let's take a peek inside. The interior includes heated front and rear seats, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, heated steering wheel, red stitching, a leather wrapped shift knob, along with a 7-inch multi-information display in front of the steering wheel and an 8-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety features include lane tracing assist, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision system with bicycle and pedestrian detection, blind spot monitors, rear cross traffic alert, and a backup camera. There are so many features that make this vehicle such a fantastic release from Toyota. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little tour of the beautiful new 2021 Toyota RAV4 Prime. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.